2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser marks the return of rugged capability in a compact and modern package. Designed for adventurers who want authentic off-road performance without the size of a full Land Cruiser, this smaller sibling carries the legendary DNA of Toyota's iconic 4x4 heritage with a fresh, youthful twist. Built on Toyota's TNGAF body-on-frame platform, the Baby Land Cruiser is engineered for durability and real-world toughness. It features a boxy, retro-modern design that pays homage to the classic Land Cruiser 70 series, with round LED headlights, upright proportions, high ground clearance, and chunky all-terrain tires. Short overhangs and skid plates signal this SUV means business both on and off the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Baby Land Cruiser is powered by a turbocharged 2.4 four-cylinder engine, available on Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system. This setup delivers balance of torque and efficiency, ideal for off-road, mountain trails, and daily city use. A full-time four-wheel drive system with locking differentials and a 2-speed transfer case ensures the vehicle stays confident in the toughest conditions. Inside, it's a blend of durability and modern comfort. The interior is designed to be rugged yet refined, with washable surfaces, weather-resistant upholstery, and intuitive controls made for gloved hands. A central touchscreen with Toyota's latest multimedia interface includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while physical knobs and buttons maintain a utilitarian feel. The Baby Land Cruiser is also packed with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and blind spot monitoring. Advanced traction control, crawl assist, and multiple terrain drive modes give the driver full control over any surface: sand, mud, snow, or rock. With its compact footprint, classic off-road styling, and proven reliability, the 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser is the ideal SUV for a new generation of explorers. It's not just a smaller Land Cruiser, it's a bold, capable companion built for real adventures in the wild and the city alike. Thanks for watching this video.